Well, I wanted to be an entrepreneur because I think it's the natural next step I can do in my research career. I always wanted to apply my knowledge to the use of, for the benefit of the society. So I think that being an entrepreneur is a way to ensure that this really reach the market and at the end of the day it really benefit all the people in the world. I think into entrepreneurship because I thought I had all the knowledge and energy needed to get into all this world of innovation with hopefully a success. So that's why I take the lead. We took the idea to set up the company after several years of collaboration with, in this case, hospital Clínic. There is a great team of healthcare professionals performing innovation in the daily clinical practice. So we got plenty of ideas, and especially within the area of rehabilitation, there is room for improvement and innovation. It's the daily basis of the rehabilitation team at Hospital Clínic. Well, to put together the team, the initial team was quite easy because the ecosystem in the healthcare area in Catalonia is very well connected, so we very easily found good connections and got in touch rapidly at the beginning of this challenge. Well, one of the most important strategic decisions we've made so far has been to decide that we want to be a spin-off company of our institution, so we don't want to go alone, we want to go hand by hand with Hospital Clínic. Well, probably one of the best advice I have ever been given has been that we need to pivot. We need to accommodate and validate that our value proposition is correct. So don't be afraid to change your initial plans and adapt if required. Probably one advice I would give to somebody that wants to get entrepreneur in healthcare is that be full of energy, try to get as much close as possible with clinicians, with the end users, because they really have the best ideas and the needs that you are aiming to solve. Well, probably the three things I've learned during this journey up to now is that you need to be prepared to adapt your plans. You need to be very good in the business side as well as in the scientific side, because in healthcare evidence is very important to generate confidence. And probably also the last advice is that if you think the idea is worth for the society, keep pushing and try to find a solution. Something that probably I would love to know before setting up the company, it's what I actually know now. What are the basics of entrepreneurship? So how to communicate your ideas with the business world. We come from an area of research and innovation that is far away from the, let's say, vocabulary and logics of business. So probably at the beginning of this journey, to be more prepared in the area of business would have been quite a nice asset. Well, our short-term is to consolidate our own technology and to have proven our business model with initial sales. So far this would mean that our initial value proposition is correct and that there is commercial traction.